If you want to delete pages from your PDF, this is your video. So you have to go to iLovePDF.com and you have to scroll down till you find the Organize PDF option. So here you have to drag your PDF file, or you can select it too, and you have to wait a few seconds till everything loads. It depends on the size of your PDF. I charged 700 pages PDF, so it can take a little long. So we are going to pause it till we get something in the screen. Okay, so as you can see, the array has been open. So for removing the pages, the only thing you have to do is to look for the page you want to delete. In my case, for example, the first one, and you press the X that will appear just in the image of the page, and just like that, you will be deleting the pages. So you press organize, and a few seconds later you will get the PDF file without the pages you removed. So if this video was helpful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.